Hello guys, today I've got Motorola Vervebuds 250 and I'm going to show you if you can listen to music with only one earphone. So the answer is very simple, not complex. Yes, you can listen to music with just one Motorola Vervebuds 50 earbud. This earbud supports single earbud use, so you can use either the left or the right earbud by itself, leave the other earbud in the charging case, and listen to music, podcasts, or calls with a single earbud. This is called mono audio. If it doesn't work immediately, put both earbuds back in the charging case. Take out only the earbud you want to use. Wait a few seconds for it to connect to your phone and start playing your audio. If your phone still expects both earbuds, you may need to disconnect and reconnect the Bluetooth connection. Ensure the earbuds have the latest firmware version. If you are having trouble getting one earbud work independently, you need to contact device support to have it fixed. Goodbye!